When I talk to the founders, I often find that most small business owners think they have a team accountability problem, but in reality they don't. They have a structure problem. Let me show you the one foundation most skip and why skipping it can destroy your business faster than any market crash. Let's break it down super simple. Any business, no matter the size, has the same DNA. Sales and marketing, product or service delivery, finance and taxes, planning and research and development, people and culture. In big companies, each block splits into many tiny sub-blocks. HR, logistics, creative, compliance. In small businesses, it's usually one or two people wearing multiple hats. And that's actually an advantage. You can build T-shaped people, team members who see the whole game, not just their tiny task. I learned this the hard way when my dev team started logging hours without the context, losing sight of what the client actually wanted. They were working hard but not smart. Only after I built a structure that helped them see the big picture, align with the company mission, and support them daily, everything changed. Structure is not a luxury, it's a survival. Without it, you are just taking bricks on sand. Here's the real kicker. Every business, even a two-person shop, has a hierarchy. Someone sets the rules, the owner, you. In large companies, if a big manager leaves, nothing really collapses, in most cases. They have processes, knowledge bases, legal protections. In small business, if your head of sales walks out with a client list, or your top engineer takes product knowledge, that can kill the company overnight. I saw this myself. 1K lead left, took the clients, and everything we built nearly fell apart. Without clear roles, contracts, and knowledge transfer, your business becomes a ticking bomb. Replacing someone isn't just a cost. It's lost time, lost trust, and often lost revenue that can take years to recover. Big companies survive because they plan for this. Small businesses die because they ignore it. Let's make it practical. Here's the sample structure from my Ops on Demand sprint. Each department has an owner responsible for metrics and strategy. They are not just managers, they align with the founder's mission and vision. Under them, divisions do the actual work. Support clients, handle operations. But here's the magic. Roles. When you assign a role, not a name, you create resilience. Alex doesn't follow up clients. The client manager role does. If Alex leaves, the roles and tasks stay. Roles becomes functions. Functions becomes SOPs and expected outcomes. When all this aligns, you can scale, automate, and delegate without chaos. And for the first time, you can truly step back and think like a founder, not a firefighter. Without a real structure, your team drifts, your strategy dies, and you end up doing everything yourself. Without structure, your business is a castle on quicksand. Build it right before you build anything else. Map roles, define outcomes, align with your mission, then automate, then scale. Because if you skip this, your next hire could be the last nail in your business coffin. Start today and finally become the architect, not the operator.